Zendrop versus AutoDS versus CJdropshipping, a comprehensive comparison of popular dropshipping platforms. If you're navigating the world of dropshipping, you've likely come across these names. Each platform offers unique features, pricing, and tools tailored for dropshippers. But which one is right for you? In this detailed guide, we will explore these three popular dropshipping platforms, diving into their pricing structures, pros and cons, features, and ultimately determining which may be best suited for your needs. Pricing. The pricing structure of a dropshipping platform is a critical factor, especially for new entrepreneurs. Your platform's costs will directly affect your profit margins. Zendrop offers several pricing tiers to cater to different needs. Free plan. Zendrop's free plan is suitable for beginners who are just testing the waters in dropshipping. It comes with limited features, including basic product sourcing and some automated fulfillment options. Pro plan, priced at $49 per month. The Pro plan gives you access to advanced features such as expedited shipping, custom branding on products, and priority customer support. Plus plan. At $79 per month, the Plus plan includes additional tools such as in-depth analytics, automatic order tracking, and access to premium products. Zendrop's pricing is straightforward, but the higher tiers can be quite costly for newcomers. The free plan is a good place to start, but the limited features might prompt you to upgrade sooner than you'd expect. AutoDS uses a more dynamic pricing model that adjusts based on the number of products you're managing. Starter plan begins at $24 per month and allows you to manage up to 200 products. This plan is ideal for small-scale sellers who don't have a vast product catalog. Advanced plans. The pricing increases as your product count grows, with higher tier plans allowing you to manage thousands of products across multiple e-commerce platforms. Automation packages. AutoDS also offers additional automation packages like order fulfillment automation and advanced price monitoring, which can further increase the monthly cost. While AutoDS is cost-effective for small stores, the price can escalate quickly as your business scales, especially if you add on automation features. However, the flexibility to pay based on the number of products makes it a scalable option for growing businesses. CJdropshipping pricing. One of CJdropshipping's most attractive features is that it doesn't charge any upfront fees to use the platform. No platform fees, unlike Zendrop and AutoDS. CJdropshipping doesn't have subscription plans. You only pay for the products you source and shipping costs with no additional monthly charges. Commission-based model. CJdropshipping operates on a commission-based model. The company sources products directly from manufacturers and suppliers, and profits are made from product sourcing fees and shipping costs. Custom branding and services. If you want features like custom packaging, product photography, or warehouse services, additional fees will apply. These services are optional and tailored to the specific needs of your business. This flexible, commission-based pricing structure makes CJdropshipping an appealing choice for new dropshippers, as it reduces the initial financial commitment. However, it also means that the cost per item may be higher compared to buying directly from a supplier. Features and benefits. A deep dive into each platform. Beyond pricing, the features offered by these platforms can make or break their value to you. Let's explore the unique tools and offerings of Zendrop, AutoDS, and CJdropshipping. Zendrop features and benefits. Zendrop is known for its user-friendly interface and fast shipping, making it especially popular among US-based sellers. Fast shipping. Zendrop excels in providing faster shipping times than many competitors, particularly for US customers. With US based warehouses, shipping times can be reduced to as little as 3 to 5 days, a major advantage for dropshippers targeting the US market. Automated order fulfillment, one of Zendrop's core strengths, automation tool. Once a customer places an order, Zendrop automatically processes it, forwards it to the supplier, and handles shipping logistics without manual intervention. Custom branding. Zendrop offers the ability to add your own branding to products. This feature is ideal for businesses looking to build a recognizable brand in a competitive market. In-app product sourcing. Zendrop provides a seamless experience for sourcing products directly from the platform. You can browse a wide array of products and add them to your store with just a few clicks. Customer support. Zendrop provides priority customer support for its premium plan users, ensuring quicker resolutions for any issues that may arise. Zendrop Pros. Reliable and fast shipping, particularly to the US, strong automation capabilities for order fulfillment. Custom branding features help create a personalized customer experience. Easy to use interface, especially for beginners. Zendrop Cons, higher price points for the Pro and Plus plans, making it more expensive for beginners. The free plan offers limited features, prompting early upgrades for serious sellers. AutoDS features and benefits. AutoDS is best known for its advanced automation tools, which make scaling and managing large inventories easier. Full automation suite. AutoDS is highly automated, handling everything from product uploads to order fulfillment. This includes automatic price monitoring, stock updates, and tracking of shipments, reducing manual workload for sellers. Multi-store management. AutoDS integrates with several e-commerce platforms like eBay, Shopify, and Facebook Marketplace, allowing users to manage multiple stores from a single dashboard. Product research tool. AutoDS provides a product research tool that helps sellers find profitable products by analyzing market trends, demand, and competition. This feature is a huge time saver for sellers who want to identify the best-selling products without manual research. Dropshipping suppliers. The platform connects to a variety of dropshipping suppliers, including AliExpress and Walmart, giving you access to a diverse catalog of products to sell. Order automation. AutoDS's automated order fulfillment system ensures that orders are placed with suppliers instantly, reducing the risk of human error and improving efficiency. AutoDS Pros, comprehensive automation from product sourcing to order fulfillment. Scalable pricing structure that allows sellers to grow without being locked into high fixed costs. Integrates with multiple platforms, making it ideal for sellers managing several e-commerce channels. Powerful product research tool for finding profitable products. AutoDS Conness. Steeper learning curve due to the extensive features and automation options. Can become expensive as your product catalog grows. Some users report occasional bugs or slower response times in customer support. CJdropshipping features and benefits. CJdropshipping is unique in that it not only acts as a platform but also serves as a supplier, sourcing products directly from manufacturers. No platform fees. CJdropshipping's lack of subscription fees makes it a popular choice among budget-conscious entrepreneurs. You only pay for the products and shipping costs. Wide range of products. The platform offers an extensive product catalog ranging from electronics and clothing to niche items. You can choose from thousands of products sourced directly from Chinese manufacturers. Sourcing on demand. If you can't find a specific product on the platform, CJdropshipping offers a sourcing on demand service. You can request a product and CJ will find a supplier for it, offering flexibility for specialized niches. Custom branding options like Zendrop. CJdropshipping provides options for custom branding and packaging, allowing businesses to create a more personalized customer experience. Warehouse services. CJdropshipping offers warehousing services where you can store products in global warehouses for faster shipping. They have warehouses in the US, Europe, and China, giving sellers flexibility in choosing shipping locations. CJ Dropshipping Pros, no monthly subscription fees, reducing overhead costs for new sellers. A vast selection of products directly from manufacturers. Offers both global and US based shipping options. Custom branding and warehousing services available for larger operations. Sourcing on demand allows for a more diverse product catalog. CJ Dropshipping Cons. Shipping times can be longer, especially for products sourced from Chinese suppliers. Customer support can sometimes be slower compared to Zendrop and AutoDS. The interface is not as polished as Zendrop's, making it less user-friendly for beginners. Shipping and delivery. Shipping speed is a critical factor in the success of any dropshipping business. Delayed shipping can lead to poor customer reviews and increased chargebacks, so it's essential to choose a platform that aligns with your shipping needs. Zendrop. With warehouses in the US, Zendrop offers some of the fastest shipping times, often delivering within 3 to 5 days to US customers. This makes it a strong option for sellers focusing on the US market. AutoDS. Shipping times depend on the suppliers you choose. Since AutoDS integrates with AliExpress, Walmart, and other suppliers, shipping times can vary greatly. AutoDS doesn't control the shipping itself, so it's crucial to select supplier with reliable shipping options. CJ Dropshipping offers global warehouses in China, the US, and Europe. Shipping times from Chinese warehouses can range from 10 to 25 days, while US and European warehouse options reduce shipping times to 4 to 7 days. CJ Dropshipping's strength lies in its flexibility, but Chinese-sourced products may suffer from longer delivery windows. Conclusion. Which platform should you choose? After examining the key differences between Zendrop, AutoDS, and CJ Dropshipping, the best platform for you depends on your business goals and budget. Zendrop is the ideal choice if you're focused on fast shipping, especially to the US market. Its streamlined interface, custom branding options, and automation tools make it an excellent platform for those who want a more professional experience, though it comes at a higher cost. AutoDS is perfect for sellers who prioritize automation and scale. If you plan to manage multiple stores or need extensive automation, AutoDS offers the tools to grow efficiently. However, the platform's dynamic pricing can become expensive as you add more products, so it's best suited for those with a larger budget. CJ Dropshipping is the most budget-friendly option, with no upfront fees and a wide range of products. While its shipping times can be slower, the platform's flexibility and global warehouse network make it a solid choice for beginners or sellers who want to explore a diverse product catalog. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs, whether it's speed, automation, or cost effectiveness. Regardless of which platform you choose, each offers valuable tools to help you succeed in the world of dropshipping.